Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Auntie TT for those of you who don't know me, and for those of you who do, thank you for joining me in the wig review. Today's wig review is gonna be different because I collabed with my girl Jay from Jay Dunn. So thank you Jay Dunn for collabing with me. So a little bit about Jay Dunn. She is my wig twin. Like every color I get, she gets without we even coordinating it. But I think for this collab, we somehow got different colors. I don't know how yet. I think I got this color because the one I initially wanted, which is the one she got, was out of stock. So that's probably how we got this a different color. But majority of the time, we usually review the same color wigs without even talking to each other, which is amazing. You know, it is really amazing to me. So a little bit more about Jay Dunn. She's another wig reviewer here on YouTube. She's one of the sweetest people I've ever met in the YouTube journey. Like any question I have, she is ready and willing to help me out or answer my questions. I really do appreciate that, girl, because you know it's hard in them YouTube streets. I'll go ahead and do my review, and I'll leave a link to Jay's review down in the description. Go over to her channel, say hi to her, tell her Auntie TT or Trish says hello. And if you're from her channel, hi. I hope you do consider subscribing, and let's get right into the video. The wig that I will be reviewing today is by Outre in the lace front style Amadio. So this is what it looks like. So go ahead and watch me install the wig, and then come back and I'll give you my 2 cents of whether you should pick this wig up. Let's go.
Hey miss, can I get your name? And last name ain't pain, but I'll buy you a drink. Yeah, I hit the hanky pank. I got a couple pesos sitting in my bank. And all night we've been hitting the town, putting drinks up for everyone who put us down. Pour a little more bourbon out, I turn heads when I'm swerving now. 40 hours on my John Deere, 40 hours on my John Deere. They can tell I ain't from round here, they can tell I ain't from round here. But I can hit the two-step better than the rest. Call me Lil Hank, bandana around my neck. 40 hours on my John Deere, they can tell I ain't from round here. Riding on a tractor, trying to attract her. She's a country girl trying to get her master's. She got a man, but he really ain't a factor. I'm the cowboy who's got her heart beating faster. And all night we've been hitting the town, putting drinks up for everyone who put us down. Pour a little more bourbon out, I turn heads when I'm swerving now. 40 hours on my John Deere, 40 hours on my John Deere. They can tell I ain't from round here, they can tell I ain't from round here. But I can hit the two-step better than the rest. Call me Lil Hank, bandana around my neck. 40 hours on my John Deere, they can tell I ain't from round here. Hey miss, can I get your name? And last name ain't pain, but I train. Yeah, I hit the hanky pank. I got a couple pesos sitting in my bank. And all night we've been hitting the town, putting drinks up for everyone who put us down. Pour a little more bourbon out, I turn heads when I'm swerving now. 40 hours on my John Deere, 40 hours on my John Deere. They can tell I ain't from round here, they can tell I ain't from round here. But I can hit the two-step better than the rest. Call me Lil Hank, bandana around my neck. 40 hours on my John Deere, they can tell I ain't from round here. Riding on a tractor, trying to attract her. She's a country girl trying to get her master's. She got a man, but he really ain't a factor. I'm the cowboy who's got her heart beating faster. And all night we've been hitting the town, putting drinks up for everyone who put us down. Pour a little more bourbon out, I turn heads when I'm swerving now. 40 hours on my John Deere, 40 hours on my John Deere. They can tell I ain't from round here, they can tell I ain't from round here. But I can hit the two-step better than the rest. Call me Lil Hank, bandana around my neck. 40 hours on my John Deere, they can tell I ain't from round here. Hey miss, can I get your name? And last name ain't pain, but I'll buy you a drink. Yeah, I hit the hanky pank. bank. I got a couple pesos sitting in my bank. And all night we've been hitting the town, putting drinks up for everyone who put us down. Pour a little more bourbon out, I turn heads when I'm swerving now. 40 hours on my John Deere, 40 hours on my John Deere. They can tell I ain't from round here, they can tell I ain't from round here. But I can hit the two-step better than the rest. Call me Lil Hank, bandana around my neck. 40 hours on my John Deere.
Hey, watch me install the wig. Let's go ahead and talk about some specs about the unit. The unit is Outre Amadio, and I have Amadio. I hope I'm saying the name right. Amadio. Amadio is 20 inches. I have Amadio in the color DRFF2 Cinnamon Spice. Amadio does come with two combs, three combs. One on this side, one on the side, one in the back, as well as adjustable straps. Amadio did come with lace, which I did cut off camera. She does come in special colors, and she also does have natural baby hairs, age transparent lace, and it's heat safe up to 400 degrees. So my thoughts about Amadio. Honey, she getting a 10. Amadio girl, you getting a 10. I love this unit. I love this unit. I'm glad I collab with my girl Jay on this one because I cannot wait to see what hers look like. I just know she gonna slay. I just know. So I'm giving Amadio a 10. The layers, the color, and again the color that I have is DRFF2 Cinnamon Spice. I can't wait to see Jay's review because I just know she got a color that I wanted, but when I got it, they didn't have the color I wanted. But I just already know she got the color I wanted without even seeing her review. So how much you want to bet? Okay, wait, just watch. So she's beginner friendly. She is beginner friendly. She does come with lace. I cut it off camera because I saw a YouTube of you do hers like that, and it appears to be easier for me after watching her do it, so I'll try to continue doing it that way. I'm not too sure if I run into the problems, but as of right now, that's what I'm gonna do. She is beginner friendly. She does have a bit of a shiny wig. You know what? I know why it's looking like a wiggy shine, because I put some spray, adhesive spray on there, because I was wondering why it looks so shiny. But yeah, the overall wig is not shiny. I wanted to lay down the top, so I went ahead and put some even adhesive spray on there, and that's why it's looking so shiny. All I went ahead is I laid just right here with the hairspray, and I secured just the front right here with the hairspray, and I went ahead and laid down this little hump that mine had with the hairspray. And the other thing I did for the part is I used my MAC Studio Fix Plus, and that's it. I didn't do nothing to it. So I would say it's beginner friendly, it's beginner friendly. It does have a little bit of flyaways, not a lot, because it's like layers. It's not sticking to anything because, you know, it's layered. The curls are laying down in different sections, so everything's not all in one section to stick on your lip gloss. So I really love that. I will be giving Amadio a 10. Where would I wear her to? Honey, anywhere, because look, she not hot. At least mine is not hot. Let it get to 100 or something, then we might talk about someone else. But as of right now, she not hot. So look, Auntie Titi gonna take her to the post office, the mailbox, Walmart, UPS, everywhere, because honey, I am loving this unit. I don't have any problems. I can't wait to see what Jay comes up with. I hope she don't have problems with hers, because we might have to do this again, Jay. Loving this. So what do y'all think about the color that I selected? What do y'all think about Jay's color? Matter of fact, to know if y'all watch her color, what color did she pick? Leave it down in the comment section. That's how I'm gonna know if y'all watch her video. That's how I'm gonna know. But let me know if you like the color that I picked. Let's have a conversation. What color did Jay pick? Which color do you prefer? Which color would you rock? Do you like both colors? Jay's of a different complexion, a darker complexion from me. So it would be amazing to see what color she picked and how it matches her skin tone. I already know she's gonna slay. I don't even know why I'm saying all that. I already know she's gonna slay. If you got to the end of the video, you're the real MVP. Go ahead and like the video, share the video, comment on the video. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. And I thank you for watching. I'll see you the next week. Bye, guys.